Did you know you can change your video audio, the sound of your video, from sounding like the way you hear me sounding right now, this boring sound, to this? Yes, the way you hear me sounding right now. You'll not need a pro microphone. You'll not need to invest in any money. I'm going to show you how to do this free of charge. You can change the sound of your video that you captured using your phone. Right now, I'm using my phone to record this video, and as you see, my sound is very energetic. You may think I used a pro microphone. And as you see, there's no microphone that is connected in my videos. And my audio is always on point. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be here, my name is Ben, and on this channel, I create videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if this is your first time to be here, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications so that every time I upload, you get notified. Don't forget to like this video. Like this video so that it can be recommended to more small YouTubers that need this kind of information. This information that I'm going to share in this video is so important. Every upcoming content creator should know this so that they can implement in their videos to actually improve the quality of their videos. All right, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, when it comes to making good quality content, the first thing that you should always think about is the sound of your videos, the audio of your videos. People can watch your videos when they are somehow blurred, when your videos are not clear, but they have a good quality audio. People will watch that video because they'll be hearing you. Your video is going to be audible. But if you create a high quality video with a poor sound, people will not watch that video because some people use earphones to actually watch YouTube videos. Now, when your sound is not good, it's going to make noise in their earphones. So you should always care about your video audio. One of the secrets that have helped me to grow is the sound of my videos. I always pay attention to the sound of my videos. I make sure the sound of my videos are always on point. Even if my videos are not clear, even if my videos are somehow blurred, I don't care about that. I care more about my video audio. And from today onward, you should always care about your video audio. All right, without wasting any more time, let me show you how to do it. Now, what you first do, you first edit your video using your editing software that you use, let it be CapCut, InShot, or any software that you use. Now, after that, what you do next is exporting the video, okay? You save the video to your gallery. Let me export my video right away. Now, once you're done saving, what you do next, you minimize CapCut or whatever editing software that you use to actually edit your videos. So what you do next, you go to Google Play Store or App Store for iPhone users, and then you download an app that can convert a video to an audio. So you just download video to audio converter. Now, there are a lot of apps, but you can download any app as soon as it can convert your video to an audio. Now, for this case, I'm going to use this app. I've already installed it, but I'm just updating this app. Great, it's now installing. Now, once it's done installing, you open it. And now this is how it looks like after opening up. So you just tap on video to audio right here, and then it will direct you to your phone gallery. Okay, so you choose the video that you actually exported from CapCut or your editing software. Okay, so this is the video that I exported from CapCut. Now, what you do next, you have to make sure that you rename the audio. The reason why you're renaming the audio, it's because of SEO. You have to optimize everything in your video. So you have to rename the audio. Now, for this video, it's about how to monetize on YouTube first. So you just type the title of the video. Now, after typing in the title of the video, you convert. So we are converting the video to the audio. And now, as you see, the video has been converted to an audio. So we have the audio here, how to monetize on YouTube first. Now, once you're done converting, we go to the next step. The next step, you minimize this app, and then you go to Google Chrome. Now, once you open Google Chrome, you tap on the search bar and type in Adobe Podcast. And now this is the website. You just tap here. And now what will come next is this website. You'll see this interface. Now on this interface, since it will be your first time to visit this website, you'll have to first create an account. Now after creating the account on this page, you'll see this home page. This is how it will look like once you have opened an account. And as you see right here, my account is showing. I've already logged in. I've already created an account on this website. So once you reach here, what you do next, you scroll down and then you tap on go to enhance speech. You just tap here. This website uses AI to enhance speech, and this website has two AIs that it uses to enhance speech. And these AIs are found right here. There is V2 and V1. I recommend you to use V2 if you make videos that don't have a lot of noise in your background. But if you make videos like vlogs in the public areas, use V1 because the V1 AI reduces voice for videos that are done outdoors, videos that are done in places where there is noise in the background. The second thing that you have to know, this website enhances audio that is 30 minutes or less. Any audio beyond 30 minutes, you cannot enhance it using this website. Now, after choosing the AI that you're going to use, what you do next, you just tap on choose files right here. So you go to media and then audio. Remember, we have already converted our audio and we named it. This is the audio, how to monetize on YouTube. So you just tap on the audio and then it will load automatically. So it is uploading as you see. And the process is very quick. As you see now, it is enhancing. Now it is done enhancing. So what you do next, you just tap on download right here and the file will download automatically. As you see, it is downloading right here. So you just wait for it to download. Now, once it is done downloading, what you do next, you minimize Chrome and you go back to your editing software. For my case, I use CapCut. So you just click on the draft. Now, when you come back to this video, remember this video has its original audio. Let me play it and you hear the original audio. This channel was monetized in 30 days. Now, as you hear, that is the original audio of this video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mute all clips of this video so that it doesn't have any audio, okay? As you hear now, the audio is muted. Now, what I'll do next, I'll just go here at audio, where you see audio right here and tap on it. After that, I tap on sounds. Now, what I'll do next, I go to files right here, device, and then look for the audio that I actually downloaded from Chrome, the audio that I enhanced using the Adobe Enhancer. So this is it, how to monetize on YouTube. Now, this is the audio. What I'll do next, I'll just add up the audio. So I've added the audio, and this is the audio itself. This channel was monetized in 30 days. This channel too was... Now, when you listen to this audio, you realize that this audio is different from the original audio. Okay, let's try to differentiate it. Let me first drag this out. Okay, after dragging it, I unmute the sound of the video. Now, let me play the sound of the video and you listen. This channel was monetized in 30 days. So that is the sound of the original video. And now this is the enhanced sound. Let me put it back here and mute the original sound of the video. Now let me play and you listen to the enhanced sound. This channel was monetized in 30 days. Now when you listen to the original sound, you realize that it is really different. So this is how I actually enhance my video audio and come out with good quality audios. Now, after all this process, you can now export your video and upload it on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like it, smash that like button so that this video can be recommended to more small YouTubers that need this kind of information. And if you've not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Alright, check out this playlist if you want to improve your editing skills. Learn how to color grade, learn how to remove the CapCut watermark from your videos, learn more things. I've organized this playlist for people who want to improve their editing skills. So check out the playlist. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.